what's happening? Hey, what's happening? Welcome to behind the scenes of watermelon bowl. I only needed 3, but the Hispanic store I went to only had a whole package. So many. Comment below if you want one. We have a mini watermelon, and we're gonna cut it right in half. Whoa, look at that. Nice melons. I have a small scooper. You can use an ice cream scooper. What it does, it makes it into melon balls. Okay, that was a fail. It looks janky. I'm just gonna cut it inside, almost like tic-tac-toe. Now scoop it out with a spoon. Look at that. Perfect. Now we have an empty watermelon. Now we have a pineapple. Take this part out.
Ew.
I want this because it's hard to eat. I'm making this into smaller bite pieces. My favorite fruits are pineapple and mango. We have Mexican key limes. They're so small comparison to the limes. I'm just gonna cut them in half. I can already smell the aroma and it's making my mouth water. Now we got kiwis, cutting the sides. Now peeling. Slice it up. I got kiwis because I love the way how it looks. We got mango, my favorite. I always peel this first before I cut it. You can always tell where to cut it on the side right here and right here, because the seed always looks vertical, not horizontal, but vertical. It's hard to cut it with nails. But you go right along the side and boom. You got one half. Next up, the second half. You go right along the side of the seed. This part is pretty thick, so usually I just eat it. I thought cats are like scared of cucumber or something. This cat is fearless. Cucumber! Super easy to peel, right in the middle. Woo! And scrape them seeds. This spoon is kind of big, but we got it. It's like a canoe. Slice both of them in half. Chop, chop. Time for some mandarin. Orange. You just peel it like so. Separate them individually. Got some chamoy, chili blend with lime, with Tajin, and mix it up to make it thick. Look at that. And open up all the spaghetti. Now let's get ready for that TikTok. Watermelon bowl. Start by filling this baby up with chamoy. Everywhere. Yes. Woo! That's some mango, watermelon, pineapple, mandarin orange, cucumber. Some of this. Repeat the process. I forgot the noodles. More chamoy. Putting the kiwis on the side. More chamoy. More spaghetti. Subscribe to my YouTube for behind the scenes of, yo, this is probably the best thing I've ever tasted. I love how beautifully the kiwi actually fit perfectly around the bowl. It's like sushi. Oh my god. I love the sourness. I'm legit eating this like chopsticks. We got pineapple. Watermelon. That watermelon is refreshing. Here's that cucumber. Next time I won't put that cucumber. Let's lick the bowl. The kiwi, man, look at that. I can't get over it how the way I pick it up is just like sushi. How about if I eat this with the tamarind on the chopsticks? Interesting. Look at that. Edible utensil. Oh, sayonara carbonara.
JORI MEZUDA.